Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a pretty cool unboxing for you guys from D-FantiX. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but D-FantiX just sent me this, and pretty excited to get into it. Let's get this out of here. This is the Qiyi fidget spinner, I believe. Yeah, box is really nice looking. Let's see if we can get this open. Release pressure. Oh wow, looks like there's tape or plastic around the whole thing. Let's get this off. Oh, that's pretty satisfying. Okay. Just comes off like that. Here's the cube/fidget spinner. And then we have like pamphlets down here. Oh, it's a case. That's interesting. So really nice box. Let's check out this case. It's sort of made out of like rubber. Sort of like a latex glove or something. The inside feels like felt or something like that. I don't know, it's still rubbery. But let's check out this cube. Yeah, spins like a normal fidget spinner. Looks really weird on the camera. If I try to spin it, slower it looks like it goes. But yeah, it spins just like a regular fidget spinner. Feels very smooth. I'm not sure if you can take off these caps, but it's also a functioning 1x3x3. It feels like there's magnets or bearings or something, because it's clicking into place. But it should shapeshift. Yeah, it still spins when you shapeshift it. Can't really get it past my thumb though. Yeah, let's just see if I can do something. Oh, that's cool. I can feel it hitting my finger. Feels really unbalanced. But yeah, very nice puzzle. I definitely recommend buying this if you don't have a fidget spinner yet. Especially if you don't have a 1x3x3 yet. This is my first 1x3x3. Oh yeah, that's cool. Anyways, turns pretty nicely. See if I can figure out how to get this back to normal. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my first 1x3x3. See if I can figure out how to solve this. This is kind of interesting. This is weird. Oh, I got it. Okay, well now we have to turn these back to normal. Get all the sides back in the original spot. Yeah, so it's pretty much solved. Just have to turn these. Bam. Easy. Anyways, definitely recommend buying this. It's a really nice fidget spinner. Really nice cube. Huge thanks to D-FantiX for sending me this puzzle. Link for this puzzle will be in the description if you want to purchase this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye.